When you've been around for over 60 years like Shuttleworth has, you tend to look back and take stock of things to make sure you are progressing, moving forward, and setting that bar just a little bit higher. Part of that is how the market, and more importantly, your customers perceive you. If the past couple of years have taught us anything, it's that Jaguar and Cracker Barrel crushed it with the rebrand of their legacy look to reinvent themselves in a way that paves the way for the future. Needless to say, we were inspired, and this caused us to look inward to see how we could be more clear to our customers, not only with the products that we offer and what they do, but the Shuttleworth organization as a whole. Take Rally Track. Last year, we proudly unveiled the name with the intention of evoking both the excitement of a racetrack and the idea of products heroically rallying back from line flow irregularities. In hindsight, this nuance may have been aspirational. So after much careful consideration, we've decided to rebrand Rally Track as the Buffer Ring product line. It's shaped like a ring, it buffers product flow, it buffers, it's a ring, it's buffering. It's a buffer ring. It's clear, it's direct, it's intentional. Now, riding this exhilarating wave of clarity, we kept going. Rally Track RX is now buffer ring, buffer vials in small bottles. And the biflow accumulation table is now simply the dual direction turbo table. Next, we turned our attention to Slip Torque, our premier conveyor platform and backbone of Shuttleworth's gentle handling solutions. Slip Torque wasn't getting that message across to our customers that this is the most gentle and versatile conveyor system for your delicate products and packaging. Therefore, we are proud to announce a new name that expresses gentle motion. Say goodbye to Slip Torque and hello to roller cuddlers. But when you're breaking barriers and knocking down walls, nothing can remain sacred, including our own name. Shuttleworth was named after our founder, Jim Shuttleworth. Unfortunately, at least once a week, someone asks us about our shuttle conveyors. Now, this wouldn't bother us if we actually made shuttle conveyors, but we don't. We design and manufacture conveyors, accumulation tables, laners, stackers, rotators, pushers, and a wide range of smart handling solutions. For food, beverage, pharma, automotive, solar printing, and more. We do a lot of things. Shuttle conveyors are not one of them. So moving forward, we will be known as Jim's Smart Handling Units and Throughput Technologies, leveraging efficiency workflow optimization, reliable transport, and high-performance automation. Just not shuttle conveyors.
That looks kind of stupid.
Can't we just do it the way we've always done it? I mean, it's not too late to change it back, right?
We invite our customers and partners to celebrate with us as we look to the future, now with even greater clarity as we enter this next chapter in our organization.